Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Oriana, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Rulinda Hair, and also I'm going to test out the Ghost Bond glue to see how that works. So this is the hair fresh out the box. This is what the wig looks like. It is a 12-inch bob straight. This is what the wig looks like on the inside. There are 2 combs on the side, 1 on top and 1 in the back, so that makes 4. It is a 13x6 parting space, and the knots do look bleached. But do y'all see that parting space? That looks like that's a good deep part that you'll get. And there's me putting on the wig. I did the balding cap method because I wanted it to look like it was coming from my scalp. But do y'all see that part that I was telling y'all about? You see that part right there? And I'm just looking to see how the hairline looks. It looks like it was like partially plucked. So you can leave it like that, but I'm pretty sure I went in and started plucking the hair because I just didn't like how it looked. As I mentioned before, I didn't like how the hairline looked, so I did go back and pluck it. And yeah, I think I did more too, besides what you're looking at now. And here I'm now just pulling the hair back so I could get a view of like how the lace looks on my head and everything. There's some shedding, but that's pretty normal because I did just pluck the hair too. Alright, and you see I'm just cutting off the ear tabs, the lace that, and that's like covering up my ear before I get ready to glue down the rest of my head, because I did leave the lace on. I didn't cut the lace and then glue. I left the lace on while I glued. You'll see in a second. Alright, so boom, there's that Ghost Bond glue I was telling y'all about. Yeah, I got that for $13.99 on Amazon, and this is my first time using it, so I did glue it down in sections. And then I just use my comb to like smooth that out. I don't want to use my fingers on it because I heard like the oils will like mess it up with drying and all that stuff. But oh, do you see that? That looked like it's coming out of my scalp or something. Like I was feeling myself. You see, I'm about to look like I'm about to start feeling myself. Look, see, look. I did say I did do the I glued down the wig in sections, and then I smoothed it out. And I was looking at that little white spot right there. That's just a little bit of the glue that didn't finish drying, but don't worry, it ended up turning like visible, so it was good. And then I just repeated the same steps for the other side of my head. And then like, even though the glue did dry up, I wanted to make sure that that glue stayed dried and everything, because I actually left after making this. But yeah, so I just tied down with a scarf, and I'm getting a feel for the short hair because I've never had like short hair like this before. So yeah, I'm getting a feel for it, and then boom, I take it off and it's all dry. So you know what that means? It's time to cut lace in a second, you feel me? So yeah, I'm just pinning that hair back because I'm getting ready to cut that lace off. And you see, I did use my scissors like to cut the middle part, but then you're gonna see me switch to it's like a razor for like your eyebrows, because like I always had a problem with whenever I cut it with scissors, like I can't get that zigzag effect, so my hairline just looked weird, like it was just straight across and it looked like unnatural, because most people that I've seen do it, they get that like zigzag type look. You see, I'm trying to do like a zigzag type of thing. And then I'm about to do it to the other side. I was struggling with the other side because like it was like my left hand was doing it, but like with the other side I was doing it on my left side, but my right hand's the dominant, so I was just struggling. Don't even mind what I said. It was a little struggle, but it came out good. Okay. Alright, so the lace is all cut, and again I'm getting a feel for the hair and seeing how it looks, and do I want to pluck it some more, which you're about to see me do, because like I always gotta mess with something even if it's fine, like because I think I could have left it, but I just started plucking again because like I thought the hairline looked way too thick. Like I was not feeling it. Like I always do that, like I always mess with something that is perfectly fine. Like, can anybody relate? Because like it'll be fine, and then like I mess with it, and then I try to get it back and it look crazy, but like I need to know that like if it ain't broken, like don't fix it, okay? You see what I mean? Like look, I'm going to pluck that same side again, like I'm going back to pluck it. Like you should have seen my forehead, so much hair on it just from plucking this, because like I even plucked the part too. Like I was just doing too much. But did y'all notice how like I'm tugging on this? Mind you, the glue is on there. The Ghost Bond glue is intact, and like it's just not slipping up at all. Like I'm pulling on it and everything. Like this Ghost Bond glue got like a good hold to it, because this is my first time using it. I've never used it before. I've never used any glue actually before, and yeah, this is my first time using it, and I liked how it looked. It looked good. Done. I was not done with the plucking. You see, I'm plucking some more and then cutting it to see if I can get some baby hairs. I try to do baby hairs, but like it never works out. But yeah, I'm using like a little eyebrow spoolie and some Got to Be Invisible, the invisible bottle. I mean the black bottle that has the invisible gel in it. See, this is what I meant when I said that the baby hairs never work out for me, because like I was not feeling it. Like you see how that looked? Like I thought that looked so ugly, so I kept messing with it. My stupid self. Yeah, I was struggling to get a certain like type of style, because like I said, I had to go somewhere. So yeah, I think I just put it in a ponytail or something. But the next clip, you're gonna see how it looked when I finally figured out how to style it. Yeah, I just ended up doing a middle part, and yeah, it looks cute. I like how it looks. Alright, so hey guys, I must say it's about a week since I installed this wig using the Ghost Bond glue, And this is how the hairline is looking. Don't mind that, that's like extra glue I never cleaned up. Yeah, this is how the hairline is looking. And it's been a good week, like I said. And I am noticing that it is starting to peel. Ooh, there you go, can you see that? It's starting to like peel a little bit off certain corners, you know, when like I actually like tug at it a little bit, you see it is starting to come off like that. I probably could make it stretch a couple more days, but I don't want to, because like you see this hairline is a little icky. I mean, maybe like some people like they won't notice it, but like I just feel like it's mad noticeable and it's icky. But do want to say, I'm gonna. Alright, so I'm back with the voiceover because I don't know what I was talking about. I was just rambling on and on. So I'm gonna talk about the hair. The hair, I ordered it off of Amazon, but the hair company is Rulinda Hair, and this hair is bomb for like a decent price. Like, it's bomb, to be honest. Like, the parting space I loved. It's like, that's a really good part. Like, certain wigs you want to get like a certain amount of parting space. And then as when I got it out the package, I didn't wash it because it didn't stink, nor did it smell good, because you know certain wigs, they have like a certain stench to them, so you'll have to deep condition and all that. But this hair was good straight out the package. That's also another plus. The shedding, the hair did shed a lot because I did go back and pluck it every now and then. Plus, I don't know, maybe it's because like I put a lot of heat on it like every single day. But besides that, I love the hair. I would get a different texture from that hair company any day. And the Ghost Bond glue, I do like that a lot. That was my first time using any type of lace glue, and I would use it again. Using the bald cap method that I did, it was pretty good. Like, it looked like it was coming out of my scalp. And like I said, I wore it only in for a week, but I mean, you could probably make it stretch for like maybe 2 weeks. I've seen people say last for 2 weeks, but I feel like 2 weeks is way too long for me. A week is even long. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure y'all follow me on social media, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.